Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today I'm doing a little bit of a different video, and I'm sharing with y'all an accident that happened to a friend of mine, David Basser. As y'all know, Dave and me are friends, and he is the owner of Nitrous Outlet. And this weekend he did have an accident with his S-10, also known as Stitch. So I have some video footage and a couple of pics for y'all. Just heads up, I haven't got to talk to Dave in person yet. I've seen on social media where he's saying he is okay. He's a little upset about how torn up Stitch is, but he's just glad that he and the driver of the other vehicle involved are both okay. So here's some videos, and I just want to touch on one thing. During the prep and getting ready for the No Name National event stuff, safety was a big concern, and John Wilburn and them guys tried to share a bunch with some of the newcomers to drag racing. This is just a prime example, just as we shared with Andrew Nelson and his accident. Dave's truck was built for what it was being used for, so they didn't skip on any safety measures or anything like that. And again, the safety stuff did its work. So I'm just glad that Dave had a quality ride and he's still with us. So here y'all go. Alright guys, for those of you who do not know, Stitch is actually a 1993 S-10 that Nitro Dave from Nitrous Outlet runs their Boost and Juice program on. So it's an LS powered S-10 that has both a Pro Charger and Nitrous. So here's the footage of the race. As you can see, the aftermath of the accident, Stitch is in pretty poor shape. The good news is both Dave and the other driver are okay, and all the safety equipment did its job. So, as in the past, I've shared a lot of information about Dave and his channel, and you can follow along about Stitch and his Nova build at the Nitro Dave on YouTube. Go give his channel a watch. Thanks, and as always, please like and subscribe.